Is Bitcoin going to zero? Is it going to crash? Well, today we're going to be talking about what Bitcoin is going to do. And as always, guys, make sure to hit that like button so that this video can be pushed out to more people. And also make sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys are kept up to date for any new updates, videos, all that type of stuff. Because we've had a lot of good videos and definitely excited for all the coming content that we have going on in the future, guys. So without further ado, let's jump into it and check out this. All right. So guys, this is the Bitcoin chart currently, okay? So what I'm gonna actually be doing with you guys is, it's gonna be a bit of a different video. I'm gonna be showing you guys what the brain of Cohen is seeing currently at this level, okay? So, again, a lot of people have never really seen Bitcoin throughout, the years. I mean, I've been basically investing into Bitcoin for about 5 years now. So, I've seen these big surges. I've seen these phases, and again, seen a lot of this stuff unfold. A lot of people are new to this, which is totally fine. Obviously, as global adoption occurs, more and more people start becoming aware of Bitcoin. So again, I want to be looking at what we're actually seeing as far as what everything looks like with Bitcoin. So first and foremost, what I'm seeing here is a little bit of a pullback over the last few weeks, okay? So now, is this a bad thing? Not necessarily, because the way that you got to also look at the market in general is the market moves in waves, okay? If you guys aren't familiar with the market in general, okay, so it moves in a lot of different waves. I'm going to actually share with you guys if I can find it here. Haven't actually used this in quite some time, but we're going to find this. Just give me 1 second here. Okay, here we go. So basically, if you guys aren't familiar with the Elliott wave theory, you probably should be. It's a very important, basically, cycle. So the market tends to move in cycles of at least 5. So when you see this type of a cycle here, 1, 2, 3, these are called lags. So this is one big lag up, one big lag up. And then typically what happens is once you start to see a downwards, you see one more large lag upwards, okay? So a lot of times this is kind of, the best way to look at it is you basically just take this here and then you can kind of make a prediction based on that occurring once this lag actually forms, right? But there are some other things to look at, right? I mean, it's not just based on one leg. You always have to make sure your fundamentals make sense. So what do I mean by fundamentals? Like, at the end of the day, you got to make sure that whatever you're getting involved in has good backing, has basically a lot of different things that's developing within it. Currently, I think Bitcoin is at that stage. We've seen the adoption start to occur. We're not even at 1 trillion market cap in all of cryptocurrency, which I think is like so small. We're talking, if you compare that to stocks, which is sitting at roughly 100 trillion, 3% is really just a drop in the bucket, less than 3%. So in all reality, I think crypto is becoming larger and larger, and as time goes on, again, I think it's going to become a much bigger aspect, and that's the way that I look at it. And again, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so don't take that in any way, shape, or form. I'm just here to educate you guys behind what I have to say, what I'm teaching people and everything like that, and just the things that I look for in any market. And again, you guys want to make sure to subscribe to this video, because on the last video I shared a lot of really good projects, and I made sure to only really push it out to people that were subscribed to my channel, and I did a great job because it was the video that ranked the worst, which is what was my exact intention. So again, you guys want to make sure to hit that subscribe button, stay up to date for any new content. So, but yeah, with this aspect, okay? So if we go back here and we just check out where we're currently sitting at, there's another big bullish formation here, okay? And that's actually this little wedge down here. All right, so basically if you look here, there was a little wedge, and the market on a technical basis, again, this is technical analysis, by the way. So on a technical basis, what happened right here, okay? We saw the little wedge form, and basically as soon as it came down here, we closed above it. This is a very, very bullish sign. When it closes at this large of a candle, this is a very bullish indicator. A lot of times what you see is the market start to push upwards, okay? So again, am I saying this is a 100% chance? Of course not, right? So many people are they want to be right one time, and they would rather be right once and just live with that forever. Like, I would rather be right 90 times and wrong 25, right? A lot of people are just afraid to not be right sometimes, and that's just the nature of it. The people that win the most are the ones that put out consistent calls, that continually, look into the market, better themselves. And I'm actually seeing this as a very, very bullish sign, okay? again, you compare this to the legs and that wedge sign, you know, this could push anywhere between, you know, $75,000 to $80,000, right? You know, in the next few months. Again, you just have to look at the legs and just see where we're currently at. So this is what I'm currently seeing in the market. You know, I'm really excited to see what happens, and what I think is going to happen on top of this is I think alts will follow. I think right now Bitcoin is going to have a big rally. Altcoins are going to kind of stay stationary, and then once this does rally, that's when you want to get involved in those altcoins, okay? In the next 2-3 months, once we do see this rally, if it does occur, make sure you have your eyes on some good altcoins. And during this phase, if you guys want to also earn weekly interest on this, if you guys haven't heard of this, it's called Celsius. It's really cool, actually. You can basically stake your crypto so that you can earn weekly rewards, okay? So if you are looking to purchase Bitcoin or any coin that does have rewards on here, so for example, like let's say you stake 50,000 on a weekly payout. I mean, being international right now, like myself, the APY is currently 7.81% on 0.25 Bitcoin and then 3.83 afterwards. Okay, so this actually does pay out weekly. It's really a cool concept. I'm going to put a little link in the description regarding this and how to get involved. You can also earn a little bit of extra crypto if you use my link below, so I will attach that below. So anyway, if you are looking to purchase Bitcoin, you can basically take advantage of that. So again, I'm going to put that in the description, but without further ado, guys, this is my current analysis on Bitcoin. I think we're going to see a large rally upwards. So I'm really excited for it. Make sure you have your eyes peeled on those altcoins afterwards, okay? Because Bitcoin tends to move upwards, and after that, the altcoins do follow. So definitely keep an eye out on Bitcoin. I'm excited to see how the next few months unfold, guys. And without further ado, guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.